Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn accounting on your laptop. First, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of accounting, like the double entry system and the accounting equation. Next, familiarize yourself with the primary financial statements, such as the income statement and statement of cash flows. Understanding these basics is crucial before moving on to practical application. We will then explore the best digital tools and resources to support your learning journey from the comfort of your home. To effectively learn accounting on your laptop, you'll need a few key tools. Spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, is indispensable for practicing calculations and creating financial models. Additionally, exploring accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero will provide valuable hands-on experience with real-world applications. Many online platforms also offer interactive courses, often including practice exercises and quizzes to reinforce your understanding of concepts, like a 25% profit margin. There are numerous resources available to help you learn accounting. Online courses, both free and paid, offer structured lessons and often include quizzes to test your knowledge. Video tutorials can provide clear, visual explanations of complex topics, like preparing a Form 1099. Consistent practice with sample problems and case studies is vital for solidifying your understanding. Aim to complete at least 5 practice problems daily to build confidence and proficiency in areas such as calculating a 10% discount. Once you have a solid grasp of accounting principles, it's time to apply your knowledge. Consider managing your personal finances or helping a small business with their bookkeeping to gain practical experience. Virtual internships or volunteer roles can also provide invaluable exposure to real accounting tasks. For career advancement, explore professional certifications like the Certified Public Accountant designation. Networking with professionals can offer mentorship and insights into the industry, helping you navigate your path forward.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.